Exercise question C, D of chapter 5. Now question C. Alternative response type. State true or false. First is the heavy solid particles which settle down at the bottom during decantation are called filtrate. Children, this statement is false. Read the statement again. The heavy solid particle which settle down at the bottom during decantation. So they are called filtrate. So these heavy solid particles, children, these are called sediments. Okay. Now question 2. The material left behind during the process of filtration is called residue. Children, this statement is true because when we do filtration, the whatever is left behind on the filter paper, it is called residue. So this statement is true. State yes or no. First is, can sand grains be used as a filter? The answer is yes. Sand grains, they can be used as a filter, and to children's that we know the soil layers, they filter water and the underground water is pure. Question number 2. Can two immiscible liquids be separated by filtration? Immiscible liquids means the liquids which don't mix with each other and both are liquid. By the filtration process, we can separate the solid insoluble particles. So the answer is no. Now state right or wrong. The first statement is the mixtures having more than two components are separated using more than one method. Children, we have studied this topic also, so its answer is right. The mixture which have more than two components, so to separate them we have to use more than one methods. Now come to second statement. Iron fillings and sawdust can be separated by magnetic separation. Children, wherever iron is present, it can be separated by magnetic separation because iron is a magnetic material. So this statement is right. Question D. Analogy type. Separation of solid from liquid. Filtration. Separating the liquid component of a mixture, then it is called sedimentation and decantation. Is it okay now?